A real fucking flex is when you see no progress, but you keep showing up every day. It takes a lot of courage, relentlessness, and dignity to do that. So congratulations, every challenge, every setback you face is just a stepping stone. The journey might be slow, but remember, even the mightiest river started as a tiny stream. Patience and discipline are the keys. Keep going. Every morning brings a new opportunity. Over time, you will get closer and closer to your dreams each day. Every effort takes you one step closer to the finish line. You never know when one of these days you will change your entire life by just trying one more time. Many give up when success is just around the corner. You are closer than you think. You are stronger than most people. And you are not crazy to believe that you can achieve your goals. It's not about the destination, but the journey. You can accomplish anything in this life as long as you show up every day and keep trying. Self-belief is all you need. With self-belief and discipline, you can accomplish more than you could ever imagine. Your dream life is near. Make it your reality by taking just one more step. Never give up. Every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. It's simple. You either do something or you don't. Now get to it.